And now to President Trump, who will be hosting a press conference on fire prevention.
As you know, our country is number one in a great deal of things. And now, I think it's time for our country to be number one in fire prevention. We have some of the best fire chiefs and firefighters in the world. Just last week, I was with Deputy Chief Dan Keene of the East Hampton Fire Department, and he told me some of the things Americans should be doing to prevent fires at home and abroad. We must do this now, so we are number one in fire prevention.
Mr. Trump!
Yes, you, speak.
Mr. President, what can the everyday American do at home to prevent fires?
Americans need to change alarm batteries twice a year. That's every 6 months, people. And make sure you check your smoke alarms every month. Even someone like me can do it. In fact, I did it at the White House just the other day.
President Trump!
Pick me!
Yes, you.
Mr. Trump, do you have any more tips?
Plan your escape in case of an emergency.
What do you mean, escape?
For example, if you smell smoke, know that smoke rises and therefore need to drop to the ground and crawl to safety. Know where the exits in the building are. And in a situation where you think there's a fire, touch the door handle with the back of your hand. If it's hot, there's most likely a fire behind the door, so don't go through it.
Interesting.
Mr. Trump, I was told by a friend that it's okay to plug a multitude of electronic devices into one outlet. Is this true?
Fake news. Your friend is incorrect. If you have too many electronic devices plugged into one outlet, that can run the risk of a fire.
Mr. President, quick follow-up question. NNC is reporting that it is safe to have electronics plugged in on your bed.
To answer your question, NNC is fake news. You shouldn't sleep with electronics plugged in on your bed. This is because it can run the risk of overheating and sparking a fire. I will take one last question.
Mr. President, sir.
You, go.
So I have a lot of candles at my house. What should I do when I'm done using them?
Blow them out. A candle could get knocked over by a dog and cause a fire. So blow your candles out when they're not being supervised. Alright people, I'm done here.
Mr. Trump,
Mr. Trump,
one more quick question.
Mr. Trump.